So these are ELNA capacitors. These capacitors here are Marcon. It's the first time I see something like that. These here are Nichicon. He is using also Vima. Also here it's using Panasonic. So it's a mix of capacitor here. So this is the left power amplifier. See? Protection board, input board, right amplifier. Here is the power supply board and the phono board. Here is the volume knob, indicators, selector board. This one is a little bit slug. See how it's doing. And here on the bottom, these capacitors are TIAPO, but here two of them are missing. As you can see here the dust, how it was. So somebody before you work inside. Here are the testing points. Idling adjustment trimmer. Here is the input of signal, audio signal, power supply, maybe protection. And this one is the same, measuring point, idling trim pot, input of signal. So this is how it looks. This is the transformer, main power transformer. The capacitors here, the value of these capacitors, let's see it, where is it? So the capacitors, they are made by Accuphase, and the capacitance is 33,000 on 71 volts. So this is how it looks, this Accuphase E305. Now it's powered on, and you see are only two bulbs which they are working. So two are burned. You can see also here on the power amplifier board are these two diodes which they are lighting, also on this side. And now we're continuing for the idle current measurements and adjusting. So how I will do with this? I will connect the multimeters on millivolts. Let's put like that to be visible. Okay, too much light, but it will be okay. This one there, and this one here. Also this one will open. Millivolts. It's not visible, so I'll move the camera a little bit. So now it's okay. So the right one, I will put on the right channel. So here is written plus and minus. So plus, minus. So this one is connected, reading 11 millivolts. And also the left channel, I will connect on the other test point. Also this one is connected, so also 11, 10. So the reading, the measurements are in specification. So this is good. Now we'll check the speakers to be connected, A and B. And now we'll connect the multimeter on the back side of amplifier on the power connectors which they are going to speakers on the speaker terminals. Okay, so now I will connect to the speaker terminals the probes of the multimeters. To see what's going on. Let's see. Let's see. Minus 180. So from my point of view, it's a little bit too high. And then the other one, same, minus 180 millivolts. So this is how it's going, yeah. Now for this one, there's no any adjustment. So this is how it looks. Accuphase E305, yeah. So let's see now what is the voltage across these lights. Bulbs. It's AC. If it's not DC, it's AC, yeah? So it's 6.3 volts. So we can replace these bulbs with some spare bulbs. Yeah, I have here some of them. You can see. Yeah. And let's see if we'll find one more. Yes. Power it's off. I will take out these bulbs. One is done. So this one is 0.3 amps. Okay, and also this one. So the reading on the original bulbs, 8 volts. That is not any problem. One is done. Second one is done. Yeah. So let's see now. Now it's better. You can see all four, they are lighting, yeah. These two, they are out. Yeah. Very good. So now it's time to put the cover back and to listen to some music. And here is how it looks on the back, yeah. Speaker connections, A and B, yeah. Inlet of power supply to 120, 50, 60 Hertz. Yeah, the plate. Pre-out and main input. Yeah, now you see here is a switch. Usually you have here, you can have a switch or these bridges to make the connections between the preamplifier and power amplifier. Yeah, now it's on normal, so that means it's a connection already done here because of the switch. Tape 1, tape 2 with play and rec. Yeah. Here it's ADCD tuner, line 1, line 2, line 3. Yeah. Here is the input balanced, CD, and line input balanced. Yeah. Here it's unbalanced inputs, and here are balanced inputs. So here it's how it looks the back side. Yeah. It's a really nice amplifier. It's heavy, it's well built, a lot of power to be delivered for speakers, made by Accuphase.